Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Hamza Noor and today we have a question from P1 integration topic, and the question is of the recent attempt May-June 2020 paper 1 variant 3 question number 11. Let's see what the question says. The diagram shows part of the curve with equation y is equal to x cube minus 2bx square plus b square x, and the line OA where A is the maximum point on the curve, and the x coordinate of A is A, and the curve has a minimum point at B comma 0 where A and B are positive constants. Show that B is equal to 3A. So since you know that the question is talking about the maximum point and the minimum point, this means you need to find the dy over dx function. So let's start. Y is equal to x cube minus 2bx square. Y is equal to x cube minus 2bx square plus b square x. Okay, so dy over dx function is going to be 3x squared minus 4bx plus b squared. All right, and since dy over dx at both of the points minimum and maximum is equal to 0, so dy over dx at x is equal to b is 0. Okay, first we are solving this one at x is equal to b. So 3x squared minus 4bx plus b squared. B is basically unknown, so we can see that this is a quadratic function. Since the original graph was a cubic function, so the derivative function is basically a quadratic function. We can factorize this. This sign tells us that we have to add the factors. And this sign tells us that even after the addition, the middle term must be with minus sign. All right, so factors would be made of the coefficient of x square and the constant term, and in this case b square is the constant term basically, so we are making the factors of 3b square. Okay, in such a way that the factors will be added but will give you the final result in minus. Okay, so what happens is that 3b square can be written as 3x square minus 3bx and minus bx. I mean, when minus 3b and minus b are multiplied, this will give you 3b square. But when they are added, they will give you the middle term, which is minus 4b. This is a way of doing factorization, which you are studying since O levels. And here you go, equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0 over here as well. So now 3x can be taken as common, so multiplied by x minus b, and minus b can be taken as common, multiplied by x minus b. So now two factors are same, which are x minus b, and the factorization goes like this: x minus b multiplied by 3x minus b and equal to 0. Both of the factors are equated to 0. The factors are in terms of b. b is unknown. ठीक है, b अगर हमें पता होता तो जाहिर सी बात है कोई b की जगह कोई इंटीजर होता, लेकिन यहाँ पे b unknown है. So either x is equal to b, we know this thing, x is equal to b, and the other thing is 3x is equal to b, so x is equal to b over 3. Okay, so since we know that at x-axis we are having another point which is a, so what we are going to do is substitute a over here. A is equal to b over 3, so b is equal to 3a. This part was for 4 marks and you needed to prove this. All right, b is equal to 3a. Now the next part is saying that show that the area of the shaded region between the line and the curve is k a raised to the power 4, where k is a fraction to be found. Okay, so the thing is, this is for 7 marks and we want the shaded area, this one. So obviously we are going to integrate. First we are going to integrate the equation of the curve with the limits a till 0, and then we are going to subtract the area of this triangle in order to get the shaded area. So let's start. The equation of the curve is y is equal to x cube y is equal to x cube minus 2bx square plus b square x. All right, and now we need to find the area of the shaded region. So area will be the integral of y with respect to x. Okay, and the limits of the x-axis will be from a till 0. So now just substitute the whole equation over here: x cube minus 2bx square plus b square x with respect to x, and the limits are a till 0. So now we are starting the integration process, so we don't need to show this integral sign and we don't need to show this dx. Okay, we will only show the brackets. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जिनको आपको जिन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा इंटीग्रेशन करते हुए, एक अच्छी सी वर्किंग, एक एक्यूरेट वर्किंग, मतलब बिल्कुल फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से. So now I'm in the process of integration. So x raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 2bx cube divided by 3, okay, and plus b square x square upon 2. Okay, this is the integrated function and the limits are a till 0. But wait a minute, in the earlier part we have found that b is equal to 3a. So by substituting b is equal to 3a into this equation completely, we can express this equation, we can express this integrated equation in the form of a, isn't it? So b is equal to 3a. Wherever you are seeing b, just substitute the value 3a. So this is x raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 2b, so 2 multiplied by 3a, and then x cube over 3 plus 3a whole squared. थोड़ा zoom करके लिख रहा हूँ, 3a whole squared and then x squared and then over 2. ठीक है, यहाँ तक बात समझ आती है. उसके बाद x raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 3 and 3 is cancelled out, so the thing which remains over here 2ax cube plus 9a square x square over 2, and the limits are from a till 0. यहाँ तक हमने ये स्टेप अचीव कर लिया जहाँ पे हमारे पास ये इंटीग्रेटेड इक्वेशन जो है, now it is completely in the form of a and we need to put the limits from a till 0. ठीक है, now we are, let me take a screenshot and copy it on the other page. So far we have achieved this thing. All right, so just substitute the value a over here, a raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 2a multiplied by a cube plus 9a square into a square over 2. And obviously when you will put the limits 0, all of the terms will be 0. Okay, so if a raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 2a raised to the power 4 plus 9a raised to the power 4 over 2. So now you can see that all of the terms are in the form of a raised to the power 4, so they can be simplified. So 1 over 4 minus 2 plus 9 over 2. How much is this? 11 over 4. 11 over 4 a raised to the power 4. This is the area in terms of a under the curve. Okay, but now we need to subtract the area of this triangle from this. How do I find the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. My base is a, isn't it? My base is a, but I don't know the height yet. So in order to find this height in terms of a, what I will do, just simply substitute x is equal to a into the original equation in order to find the corresponding coordinate of y. Let's see how it is done. We need to find the height of this triangle, mean the y coordinate of the point A. So what's the original equation? अच्छा, इसकी वर्किंग हम उसी पेज पे कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? इक्वेशन लिखी हुई है ना, y is equal to x cube minus 2bx square plus b square x. Now in place of x you will substitute a. So y is equal to a cube minus 2b a squared plus b squared into a. This will give you y is equal to a cube minus 2ba squared plus b squared a. But wait a minute, this equation is also in the form of b, and since from the earlier part we have proved that b is equal to 3a, so just substitute b is equal to 3a over here, so that your equation comes completely in the form of a, so that you would be able to find the y coordinate of a in terms of a. समझ आ रही है बात? तो simply just put y is equal to a cube minus 2 into b is basically 3a into a square plus a b is equal to 3a, so 3a squared into a. ठीक है जनाब, तो y is equal to a cube minus 2 3 is 6 and 6a square multiplied by a, 6a cube plus 9a cube. Now this can be simplified in terms of a completely. 1 minus 6 plus 9, this is 4. Y is equal to 4a cube. So the y coordinate of the point A in terms of A is 4a cube. Now we can say that the height of this triangle is 4a cube. So in place of height, I will write 4a cube. So finding the area of triangle, what is the name of the triangle? Just write it down. O A N A. ठीक है, आप खाली इस तरह लिख दो, O A and bounded by the line another point A. So half into base into height is the area of this triangle. Base is basically a, 1 over 2 multiplied by a, and height in terms of a is basically कितनी आई थी, 4a cube. ठीक है भाई, so 2 ones are 2 twos are, so your height is 2a raised to the power, I mean your area of the triangle, area of the triangle is 2a raised to the power 4. Height is basically 4a cube. ठीक है जनाब, this is your area of triangle. So area under the curve minus area of triangle will give you the area of the shaded region. Okay, so area under the curve is 11 over 4 a raised to the power 4 minus area of the triangle 2a raised to the power 4. So 11 over 4 minus 2, this is 3 over 4 a raised to the power 4, and this is now in the form of ka raised to the power 4. The question was saying that k is a fraction to be found, so k is equal to 3 over 4. So I hope this video helped you in solving this question, and for more videos updated to my channel, keep yourself updated to my channel. You can follow me on my Facebook page. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.